Well, welcome back to Talos Vehicles and welcome back to the GT40 renovation. Since the last video, we've been doing a few bits and bats, well, quite a few bits and bats really, and one job that I'm sure all you builders or renovators out there will hate, and that's lining up bodywork. But we'll get to that in a second. So what have we done? Well, we've started with the back end. We've finished the fabrication on the bracket for the rear clam. That's all working now. We then test fitted the exhaust. We're gonna have a new one made, but we wanted to see where it lined up, if it was working all right. Then the electrician came. I think he's finished off. Nathan, is the electrician finished off now? Mega. So, yeah, the electrics are done, ready to plug in. The engine is, well, we're almost ready for it to go off to nick speed, to have the engine started, get it run up, get everything working. But, like I say, the main thing we've been doing is bodywork and trying to get everything to line up. And on these cars, it's not easy.
When I was young, my daddy said, gotta keep one eye open in your bed, 'cause there's a time coming when the devil gonna come for you. So my trigger fingers stay prepared. I've got my weapon and I got my prayers, 'cause if you don't run this town, they'll walk all over you. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun goes down. Run out loud, better run on. Run all day till you can't be found. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun goes down. You can outrun the devil, but you ain't gonna outrun me.
Right now, we're quickly about to buzz out a bit of this side skirt here to make clearance for a bolt on the hinge so we can do a dry fit of the skirt, but it's foul in there, so we're going to just fucking nip that out. Sorry for swearing. We're going to just cut that out quickly. It's made of fiberglass, so I'm thinking we're going to use it to little nibbler bits and just see what it does to it. We'll go do a little test fit, and if it clears there now, we'll tighten it up a little bit, make it super uniform, and that'll be that. That'll be basic.
Now we noticed something really strange. We were getting things to work, and everything was fitting nicely, and then, you know what it's like. One thing will fit nicely, the next thing won't, and then you'll get that working and that'll throw the things that were nicely fitting out. It's a nightmare. But we noticed that this side of the bodywork is different to this side. It's actually lower, it's almost like it's drooped a bit. So we've had to try and, that's made it 10 times more difficult. We've had to try and, I wouldn't say coerce it, but we had to be creative. Front was mega, that was nice and easy. The sills are all ready to go to paint, and we've literally a little bit more work on this rear clamp, and that's the last thing. And then it can go off for paint. Bruce will get it in the booth, he'll do his thing, get it off to Nick's for the engine, and then start rebuilding.